fun, but with intelligence. Then coming to time management. So time management is included with the planning the tasks properly. What are the tasks? What is the time limits? How much time do I have? How many things I can do? And giving an end time to something is very important. I want to write a very good article. Nice. I want to write a very good project. I want to submit my project in a wonderful way. Yes, good. But in what time will you do that? Should also be able to meet the timer deadlines. Then always it happens by choosing the priorities, because we are human beings. We have a lot of things to do. We have a lot of thoughts to do. We have so many entertaining things to do. We have so many distractions to do that will disturb us. There are so many things that happen in us, around us, but we can be able to complete our things only if we are able to choose the priorities. Then allocation, then categorization and utilization. It's like where do you allocate what and how much time do you allocate some task for. Nowadays we are seeing a lot of apps developed even that will help us to allocate our tasks and time. Like it has if you give your schedules, your availability, and if you enter the task, it will say that this time is available in your schedule, and accommodate this person or this task or this work in this particular time. And also categorizing what is important, what is urgent, what is significant, what is needed, what is not needed, which I can avoid. This categorize is very important, and utilize every minute is very important, because even if you have very teamwork is again everyone knows it's very, very, very important. Teamwork is important when we are a team member. We should be able to be a very good team member, even if we are in a leadership position, or even if we are in a follower position. So if you have been a very good leader earlier, but now if you have to be just a team member following some other instructions, we should be able to accept it and do our responsibility properly, do our actions properly, and whether it is right or wrong, try to take the responsibility. As the biographic stories of people say, that if something success happened, then give that credit to all others. Take the responsibility of that mistake. That is the true leadership quality. Even if as a team member also, it is very, very important to take the responsibility of our actions. And negotiation, think that you have a different idea, the other person is having a different idea. Then when the task has to move forward, it's like you should be able to come to a particular point, the other person should be able to come to the other point. If both are stubborn in their own stance, then what happens is the work gets stagnated. It gets stuck somewhere, and it can never move forward. So you should be able to negotiate with people. Now, you should be ready to get negotiated also. You should be ready to negotiate with other people also. It's not like I will tell you the logic, whether if you agree, you do it. Otherwise, it's okay, up to you. Every time it may not be possible that if you leave to the other person, and it's okay that if even the task is not being done, it's not right. We want few tasks to be done. So we have to negotiate. And persuasion is like convincing the other person with the right logic and with the right reasoning. That is persuasion. So you see very the persuasion techniques will start even from a layman also. Like you go to somewhere, a shop or something, you just you express that, okay, this may not be right price that you are saying. When we say like that, the salesperson comes and says that no, this is the right quality, their product is like this, our product is like this is costly because of these things. They have a big list of things that will make us convinced that yes, this product is worth of this price. So those persuasion techniques are the hard skills for that particular kind of industry, whereas it is soft skill for us. Because if we are a team member, if you have some opinion differences even with your team member, whether they are down in your hierarchy system or above in your hierarchy system, in both the ways you should be able to convince them if you think that your point is right.